Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to HSN Credit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log in and manage your HSN Credit Card account online, then first open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box at the top, type in hsn.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. Your HSN credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so go ahead and type in your information in the text box appearing on the left hand side. Your HSN credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so go ahead and type in your credential in the first text box. Start off with your Synchrony user ID and head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on Remember User ID box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After typing in your credential, click Secure Login button and you'll be able to log into your HSN credit card account. Now you can manage your account preferences, pay your bills, check your FICO scores, or sign up for paperless billing. That is how you can easily log into HSN Credit Card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.